Do banks give term loan for working capital? That's what we are going to understand in this video. Yes, banks will be giving term loan for working capital, and those term loans will be called as working capital term loan, or some banks also call it as corporate loan. These loans are basically given for build up of current assets. So they call it as loans given for shoring up of net working capital. But what is the logic? Why term loans for working capital? Look at this. A business is going to invest a lot of money in current asset, right? They are going to build a lot of current asset. And for that, one of the supporting source can be current liability. So current assets of this size is built up with the support of current liability. It means still there is some gap. And this gap, that is the difference between the current asset and current liability, technically we call as net working capital, can actually come from long-term sources, This long-term source can be a combination of money coming from owners in the form of equity, profits retained in the business in the form of reserves and surplus, and long-term loans. Yes, this is how long-term loans come into for supporting the build-up of net working capital, which will enable the business to invest good amount in current assets. And the benefit of building the current asset with net working capital is these funds are coming from long-term sources. It means there is no compulsion that they have to be repaid within 1 year. They are basically repayable after 1 year. It means they get an opportunity to recycle those funds again and again. So that will give them opportunity to make profit several times in a year with this long-term funds. And that's the reason banks also have this product called term loan for working capital, or say working capital term loans. Do you wish to learn more? I invite you to check our Diamond Live membership. This is a membership program which will give you access to 130 plus pre-recorded online courses related to banking, credit, finance, accounting, costing, and so on. It will also give you access to 100 plus ebooks related to these domains. Gives you access to all the live classes which we are going to conduct. Will also give you unlimited access to all the future e-publications in the form of courses, ebooks, templates, and so on. So this membership program is only for those who want to be a lifelong learner. So if you are a lifelong learner and if you want to make use of this opportunity, you just have to WhatsApp me Diamond to the number seen on the screen, or simply comment DUM. I will share you the details.